In this video I will tell you how you can fix product not showing up on Shopify store. So here you can see I have uploaded a product, and when I go to my store, here I scroll down and I do not see my product. Like, I can even go to view all and scroll through all the product. I can go through all of these pages, but still I do not see my product. So if that issue is occurring on your end, you first of all have to make sure that you are checking all of your product, because sometimes your product is added at the last one. So if you have like 4 to 5 pages on your store, so you need to check that maybe it is showing on the last page at the last spot. So make sure that your product is not showing and then follow this video. So here I have uploaded a product, and when I copy this title maybe, and I can go to search and I can even search for it, and I do not see the product. Like here you can see it is set to active as well. So you can also make sure that your status is set to active and it is no draft. So here you can see the product is not showing. It's not showing on the home page, it's not showing at any spot, and it is not showing in the search as well, and it is active. So what is this? So to solve this issue, it's a quick fix. So just make sure you click on this option button and go to manage sales channel, and here you will see that the sales channel is not checked, online store is not checked. So make sure you check it. You click on done and you can click on save. So now go back to the store. So now you have to wait for like at least for like 30 seconds to 1 minute, because Shopify takes a little bit of time when it's come to showing the changes on the front end. So make sure you wait a little bit, and then you can again click on the search button, and here you can see product is now showing. So this was a quick fix. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and hit the subscribe button. Your engagement not only supports me but also helps YouTube recommend my content to more viewers. Thank you for helping me grow. See you next time.